What's up, guys? It's Nacho here, and I'm coming from a special event. Tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. is the grand opening of the Black Rifle Coffee Company in Layton, Utah, and they said the first 50 customers will get like a special tumbler that they can get free coffee for the first year. It's midnight. There's already people here. Let's go see how many people are here.
But it says also heavy duty, like,
yeah, you know how much money he has? He could buy like 20.
Now, I did not anticipate being one of the first 50 people. First off, I don't drink enough coffee to make it worth a year's worth. I'm an occasional coffee drinker. And this location it's about 15-20 minutes away from my house, so I don't get out this way super often, so it would kind of be unfair for me to take that opportunity away from somebody else. But I honestly didn't expect this many people to be out here. So, yeah. I planned on coming and just seeing how many people were here, getting some footage, and then just crashing here in the back of the Humvee. But yeah, I didn't expect this many people to be here. My buddy Josh should be bringing his Humvee pretty soon. Then I will have somebody to hang out with. It opens up at 5 a.m. They've already got like most of their parking lot all roped off in anticipation of the crowds that are going to be here, so they're expecting it to get crazy. I'm just here for the content, you know, hanging out. I was kind of hoping there would maybe be like a tailgate party or something like that, but everybody's kind of grouped up in their own groups, playing games, stuff like that, lounging. But I did bring a beanbag. Happens to be a kid's beanbag that's pretty deflated, but it's better than nothing. So if I get too bored, I'm gonna go hang out and talk to some people and be social for once in my life. But yeah, gonna hang out for a little bit, get comfy, wait for Josh to show up. Maybe I'll watch a movie on the iPad or something like that. Honestly, I don't know if I fit in this. I've laid down in the back of this at the drive-in movie, but like if I were to close this, I don't know. If I put my feet up, I could pull it off. I could get comfy. It's not horrible. I'll probably just leave this up. Hopefully nobody messes with me if I go to sleep. So yeah, I'll check back with you guys in a little bit.
Mackenzie's when I'm getting into bed.
Alright guys, it's currently 4:15 in the morning, and I did make it into the first 50 people. So they're giving the first 50 people a Yeti mug, and they gave us all these poker chips to claim those, so we didn't have to stay put. We could go walk around. But yeah, we're gonna go back over.
Sorry, I'm terrible about dogs.
No, he's a terrible dog.
I got a 90-pound lab dog at home.
Let's try some coffee beyond black.
Got the motion down. Looks like an exercise.
Okay, guys, we're gonna rock and roll now. Let's get ready. You all know your positions. Have any questions? You see me or Emily. If you're in Emily's column, you talk to her. If you're in my column, you talk to me. We're gonna rock, okay? Woo! All right, let's get in position.
Take a follow.
Come on, you guys stay right there. Stay right there. Come on. Welcome. No one's stay.
Alright guys, I'm crammed in the back of the Humvee in the slant back, and yeah, I made it to be one of the first 50 people. Got a Yeti tumbler, and they are numbered, and you can get free coffee for the first year. It's not the fancy coffee, just a black coffee, but very cool. I want to thank the Black Rifle Coffee crew because they've all been super cool to me. Especially Dan, Stevie, and Jay for just being super welcoming and letting me hang out and kind of just film whatever I want and go wherever I want and just being super cool people. But it's now 6 o'clock in the morning, and they are going to start their raffles at 8 o'clock. And there's really nothing going on other than, I mean, the store's full right now. People are all buying coffee and breakfast and all that. And I got all the footage that I wanted to grab in there. And there's nothing else happening until 8. So I'm going to take a nap here in the back of the Humvee. Set my alarm for like 7:30 so we can get up, and you've got to be present for the raffles. So we're going to hang out for that. They're doing like a flag raising ceremony at 10. So I'm going to cover that, but until then, I've been up for 24 hours now, so I'm gonna grab about an hour and a half of sleep. So we'll see you in a little bit. Well, good morning. Let's go see what everybody's doing. Guys, I finally made it back home. It is 11 o'clock. I've been up since 6 o'clock yesterday morning, with the exception of about an hour of sleep in the back of the Humvee. And I have to go to work until 10 o'clock tonight, and then stay at the local haunted house until midnight because my daughter's going to be acting there. Luckily, I've had massive amounts of caffeine today, so we'll see how long that lasts me before I completely crash. Hopefully not at work, but yeah, I want to thank Black Rifle Coffee Company for being such awesome hosts. I have so many people to thank there. Dan, Dave, let's see, Stevie, Kayla, Tyler, Jay, Richard. I'm sure I'm forgetting some people, but you guys were super awesome, very hospitable, and loaded me up with caffeine. So yeah, I will catch you guys later. I'm gonna go maybe catch a nap before I have to get ready for work in an hour. So I'll catch you guys next time.